No aspect of the family of Trident kayaks stands out more for its utility and flexibility than the Trident Flex Kayak. The Trident Flex Kayak can be converted between a single seat and a tandem two-seat kayak in about a minute. The sections interlock together with aluminum tubes both holding the sections together and also providing mounting points for seats and other accessories. When configured as a two-seater, the Trident Flex Kayak has a 13.5-foot long hull. To create the single-seat variant, the center section is removed and the front and back sections are attached directly to each other, creating a 9-foot 2-inch long hull. Each of the modules is less than 5 feet long to ease transport and storage. Both configurations share excellent stability and handling manners on the water for paddling, fishing, or just enjoying time in the outdoors. The Trident Flex Kayak serves multiple missions at a high level, while making transportation and storage much easier than alternatives that are currently available. With the experience being easier and tailorable to your needs, you're going to enjoy the kayak many times each and every year.